ako gumagamit ng gloss kasi ayoko talaga yung feeling na malagkit sa lips. And also, hindi rin ako gumagamit ng balm kasi feeling ko mabigat siya. But I discover new product from Colorette. I think this is not a new product na pala kasi parang na-release to 2 months ago. This is their screen. I have here yung in the shade tan. Broad spectrum UV filters and SPF 20 PA+++. Feels like hindi siya mabigat sa lips, just like other lip product. Ito parang wala lang, and I really like it kasi nga ayoko nang malagkit. And also, as you can see, very nourishing talaga siya. Nawala niya yung cracks ko sa lips, kung makikita nyo. And yun lang. This is really my favorite. And meron pa siyang packaging. So,